Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ali from Acrylics and I'll be showing you guys a beginner's guide on how to paint clouds. Let's hop right into it. If you can, tape all sides of your canvas because it'll keep your canvas sturdy and it'll keep the whole process much neater. And plus, taking it off is very satisfying. You'll get to see it later on in the video, I promise. As a little gift for my first voiceover, next up is some ASMR of water pouring into a jug for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Now this is a little quick overview of everything I'm going to be using in this video today. We'll start by putting our white on the bottom of the page. It should be a medium size amount, not too big but not too small. Then we'll add our Cerulean Blue, followed up with our Pthalo Blue. Start by spreading the white on the canvas. Make sure to reach the ends of each side. If you feel as if the white is drying out, feel free to wet the brush a bit and continue it. Make sure not to overdo it though. Now, as you're blending the white up, start blending the cerulean blue. Nice long strokes that cover the whole width of the canvas. What you see here is me emphasizing on the ends because it's really easy to miss, and I want to make sure the cerulean blue is covering the whole width of the area. Now again, I'm starting to blend the cerulean blue with the phthalo blue, and the same rule applies. I'm trying to get the entire canvas to not miss any of the canvas. I'm going from one side to the other nice and slow. Once you feel like the phthalo blue nicely covered the area, you can start blending the phthalo blue with the cerulean blue. Make sure it's blended nicely, and once you feel like it's blended nicely, start slowly bringing the paint down to the white and you'll see a very nice gradient. I really enjoy this part of the painting, so make sure you enjoy it as well. Just remember, don't panic and just have fun. This is all about having fun. If you need to, feel free to keep bringing it back and forth a couple of times to achieve the desired gradient. Make sure to get all the little corners that can be very easy to miss. Another tip I can give you is to make sure you have the same rhythm throughout the blending. You can see I'm going in a very slow path back and forth without panicking, and I'm just slowly doing it. This will help you avoid any odd blends, and again, never be afraid to use a bit of water. So this part is going to be a bit trickier, so make sure to pay attention. So what I'm doing now is using titanium white to make very organic shapes. I'm not moving in any pattern, I'm just letting my hand flow and make a shape. Don't think about it too much because then you'll end up seeing it on your work. Just play around with it, don't focus, and just kind of have fun. Once you've done that, with the same brush, start patting it and making random shapes again. The only difference is that it has less paint, so it'll have a blend on its own. Again, don't think about it too much, just kind of have fun, and you'll see the magic happen right before your eyes, don't worry. Now I'm reapplying paint onto the brush and painting over the first cloud. Same rule applies, I'm making very organic shapes to make the cloud. With the same brush except it's dried up. I'm making the bottom of the cloud, same way I did the first one. You can see by my technique that I don't really have anything planned and I'm just patting as I go. That's what makes the cloud look very natural and very organic. What you see me doing now is taking advantage of the fact that the clouds dried up. I'm adding titanium white to the top to give it that glowy and highlighted look. You can see yourself how adding a bit of white on the top changes the cloud's look completely. What I'm doing now is making a cloud that's far in the distance, so what I'm actually going to do is give it much less detail and make it smaller to give it the effect that it's further away. What you can do is use the leftover white that you had from the previous clouds. Now that you got the hang of it a little with the first 3 clouds, do the same thing and this time try not to copy me. Make any random organic shape, but just remember the rule. As you get lower onto the cloud, use less and less paint to give it that blend. Since it's another background cloud, make sure to make it small and give it less detail. At any point in your painting, if you feel like the other clouds don't have that pop that you want, you can always just add more white to the top. I felt as if the painting was still a bit empty from the bottom, so what I'm doing now is re-adding tiny clouds. And you guys remember how I said to make them look further, make them a bit smaller, and add less detail. Now it's time for what I promised you guys at the beginning of the video. And there you guys have it. This is the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think it came out pretty nice and I'm pretty happy with it. I want to show you guys the colors one more time. This is Phthalo Blue. This is Cerulean Blue. And then the last one, Titanium White. Another little overview of all the supplies, 2 paintbrushes and 3 colors. This is a very easy and fun painting to make, guys. Give it a shot at home. I appreciate you guys so much for watching and sticking around. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below and tell me what else you'd like to see. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would help out a lot. Bye-bye.